Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I was scrolling through my Pinterest and I saw a couple images that kind of popped up for 90s makeup. And as you may or may not know, I'm a 90s baby. When I was growing up, then their makeup was everything. It was a little interstellar, definitely a lot of color and holographics and metallics on the lid. So I thought today I could do that, but updated. I have some clips that would be perfect for this. First, priming the lids, I'm going to go in with the one I've been using for the last couple of weeks. Oh, be helpful if I zoomed in, huh? Onto brows. So I'm sure you all remember the 90s. Very thin brows. Luckily, I'm not in that age and my brows can thrive. So just gonna do what I have been always doing. I start filling in the last half of my brow and then I use the spoolie to kind of blend it forward. So the 90s were a time when we did a lot of sparkle, a lot of metallic-y, shiny colors all over the lid, pretty much from the lash line all the way up to the brow bone. I thought to update it, we could do kind of the same metallic-y sheen, but maybe something that was a little bit more iridescent. I'm just gonna use my finger and tap on the purpley shade all over my lid. Next, I'm going to do my inner corner highlight. And I'm just going to taking the champagne color, I'm going to tap that on the inner corner, and I'm also going to tap that right on the middle of my lid too. Another signature of 90s look is doing a pretty thick line, and they usually didn't wing it out, so what I'm going to do today is tight line it and then make a little wing. I am going to skip out on foundation this week. So for blush, I'm taking a kind of more of a brown color. In the 90s, we were all about putting it right on the apples of the cheeks, but I think now we've been experimenting with how we put it on. I'm just going to sweep it kind of in an upward shape. Moving on to what I think is the signature of the 90s was the brown lip liner. So I'm just going to use my finger to kind of smudge out that line a little bit. And then over top, I'm going to just blot on the Maybelline New York Cocoa Connoisseur. So this is the finished look. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think of my updated 90s look? Let me know down below what you think of my look. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!